Hello sir, please introduce yourself.
I'm Sridhar Reddy. Actually, I completed my master's from control systems and PhD in electrical engineering from NIT Allahabad. And why I have chosen electrical vehicles means actually I worked in renewable energy side also. From that I came to know that shortage of fossil fuels is there. That's why we have to go for the replacement of the fossil fuels, and one of the alternatives batteries. And in addition to batteries, we will go for the wind energy, solar energy. In wind energy and solar energy, how we can extract the energy means after extraction of energy, the main interface will be the battery energy storage systems. Once we get the energy into the battery energy storage systems, this energy we can use for electrical vehicles easily. And the second issue is pollution. Second issue is pollution. We can save our environment. And the third thing is transition is there. If we take the agriculture, we moved from diesel engines to transformers. And same in automobile side, we will move from the normal IC engines to the electrical vehicles.
Very true. So basically, you have combined your expertise of renewable energy and now electric energy, and you are
Yes.
Shaktiman of electric vehicles in the future.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. And India's adaptation in the electric vehicle is so fast right now, right, sir?
Yes.
What do you think about this adaptation towards electric vehicles that our countries?
It will be successful. It may take some time when compared to the developed countries, but it will be realized. Definitely, it will be realized in our country.
Definitely.
No
And
doubt.
have you ever test-driven an electric vehicle?
No, not test driven, but have gone through in that electrical vehicles, mainly in electrical buses.
Okay.
When I was in Australia.
Okay.
And hybrid vehicles I have also seen in Australia.
Mm-hmm.
And now I am realizing that definitely there will be transition in India also
Definitely.
towards electrical vehicles.
Definitely. At the rate the petrol
Yes,
prices
and
are going,
yes, one more thing is it is the law of the nature that transition will be there from IC engines to electrical vehicles.
Very cool. And I hope that transition is seen on public transportations very soon.
Yes, why? Because lot of fossil fuels are being consumed
Yeah,
in public transport, and next comes the personal transport.
definitely. And how was your learning experience with Cloudkampus?
It is excellent, and almost if you take electrical vehicles, sir given exposed all the modules
Yeah.
from this one analysis. In analysis, he shown which softwares, which modules we can use from mechanical point of view, from electrical point of view also, sir given.
Done.
Yes, and one more thing is Nitin sir, he given the practical things,
Definitely.
means which are from the field.
Yeah.
These
So
are
that
very
it's
important.
hands-on experience. So once a person completes and goes, they already have a hands-on experience.
Yes, definitely that will be there.
Definitely.
Yes.
And that's also one of a very big advantage at Cloudkampus, right?
Yes.
Okay. And how was the entire learning experience with your fellow students and stuff like that?
It was interactive. The session gone through interactive mode, and definitely what I feel is when compared to the normal academic institutes, here this is a better.
Yeah.
Means Cloudkampus is giving the not giving, it is opening the way.
Definitely.
And personally, what I feel means it links the students to the industry.
Definitely.
And
we
industry means fills the gap
also, yeah, they
between
fill
the
gap. Yeah.
student and the industry, and it will act, this institute will act as a link between the students and the industry. Why? Because industry puts the industry tells what they need to this institute,
Yeah.
and directly the student cannot go to the industry. It is not possible for all the students to go to the industry.
Definitely.
Therefore, this institute will act as an interfacing medium between the student and the industry.
Definitely. And we have placements and internship opportunities for students, which will give them like a thorough introduction into the world of EV companies, right?
Yes.
Definitely. And thank you so much for coming, sir. And thank
Welcome.
you so much for being part of Cloudkampus.
Welcome. Thank you.